Awesome. Good. I'm ready to fill my goals.
All of us are always ready to fill our... We're kind of a large family.
We're large and in charge of the full.
Yeesh.
Nothing.
Hey guys.
Dad, it's showing the other side.
I'm glad. I don't want to see him eat. I don't want it to see me eat.
Dad, you have to click the flip screen.
No, that's good.
You just want to have our narration and then the trees?
No, it's recording us too.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
What do you mean?
Our voices.
It's doing all both sides.
How does that work?
It's got a lens on this side.
Yeah, I know, but how do you watch it at the same time?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't really want to be
Hey, guys.
seen eating.
Say hey, we're eating. We're eating.
Mom does eat like a man.
We made it. This is Bob and Allison.
What if it isn't Allison?
Oh, I'm let's go inside. Got his ice.
Oh! They built like a garage.
They did, and that might have been it. What we saw, you know, that little thing.
Oh, so they got a big.
So they got a big, yeah. I mean, they got like 12 acres or something.
Oh. Oh, so where that camper was, where they used to.
Yeah. This is amazing. Yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh wow. Look at this. Yeah, people really walk on this.
Wow, look at that view. That is pretty amazing.
Mm,
Look at that view.
it's amazing.
But they have a bunch of neighbors.
Yeah. No, Susan. Not need to mark. Tail just going back and forth. We're so happy. What is it? Oh, the foothill starts there.
Oh. To get down?
No, it goes all the way up there.
He's so ugly. Look at him.
Wow, look how beautiful.
I didn't even bring my camera, my phone. Well, this is beautiful. I wish it wasn't winter. I wish it was fall. Yeah.
Hey guys. How you like it so far, guys? What road are we on, guys?
Move! What road or what trail?
Yeah.
Sulphur Springs.
Oh.
Daddy's trail.
Okay. Oh, it's when y'all made up. Oh, okay. Okay. See, I think that's fire tower up there.
Oh, up
I
there?
think it goes up there.
Where those... Can it hear us or can it just see us?
Yeah.
What? You can answer my question. The thing, the camera. No, I don't know. Does it have good audio?
Huh?
Does it have good audio or just vision?
What? This?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got good audio.
Oh.
It's got directional audio so that
Wherever the
if I'm behind you, it'll sound like it's coming from behind you.
Oh, that's crazy!
Left and right and front. Yeah. I should go wake up the chimichangas. It's so nice and toasty in this condo of a tent. Oh, and there's the cats and dog. I'm gonna get wake their butts up. Hey, chimichanga. You guys sleep good? Ooh, it's cold in here.
Compared to where you slept.
Yeah, you only guys. Hudson. Smile. I think you can do it. Come on.
He's not. Follow me, Tanya. You can't follow the dog. Come on. Oh, he's going. Oh, he's going. Oh my God.
Oh, God.
He's going.
We're picking up. Oh,
Rosman,
oh,
right?
oh.
I think I've got it. Here, can you hold my bike up? Oh! He is. Don't get near
Very good. Yeah, let's go right here. Yeah, sure. Good for him. You get some water? Get some water? You take him to the water? He's pulling me.